Hi, my name is Olivia Wandeler and I'm the 6th grade humanities teacher here at Old Sturbridge Academy. Here at the Academy we have two partnerships, one being Old Sturbridge Village and the other EL Education. What you're seeing here in the David Wight Community Gallery is those partnerships brought to life. One of the hallmarks of our curriculum here at the Academy is an experience known as Expedition. Expedition is a weeks-long and project-based intensive exploration into a course of study. The 6th graders this year studied archaeology and ancient civilizations as part of their expedition.
Archaeology is the study of ancient artifacts that could tell someone's story from back then and how they lived before us.
Archaeologists' jobs are to find artifacts that are hidden or tucked away under the ground or just in other places so that we could study them and find out more about that civilization.
You could use the Grecian pots, for example. They could tell the Greek myths of how the 7 trials of Hercules could help him through his journey and could convey a message of what he learned there.
After studying the ancient cultures through Expedition, we really wanted to take a deep dive into the arts. Arts integration means that students aren't just creating art alongside the things that they're studying, but they're diving into the studies and the focus, and they're processing the information they find there, and they're reapplying it in a new and different way. For this project specifically, they looked at the storytelling that was done in the ancient Greek cultures through the images that were on the pottery. They looked at the symbolism and iconography that was used and how storytelling could be simplified in a visual way.
Thanks to our partnership with the village, students were able to actually fire their very own pottery in the village's kiln. Students crafted a piece of pottery and created their own design to be painted on the pottery that tells the story that they wanted future people to know about them.
My pottery, we had monarch caterpillars last year at my house, and so I painted a story about caterpillars in space.
I made this pot represent the struggle that we went through during the pandemic.
For me, for my pottery, I incorporated a theater mask because I personally really like theater.
It feels amazing to have my work on display because I get to know that people are going to look at my artwork and hopefully find what the story means.
It makes me feel happy when my work is on display because I feel happy because I feel strongly about my work and I want somebody else to see it.
The artwork that the students created and the stories that they wrote that correspond with their pottery are on display now in the David Wight Community Gallery at Old Sturbridge Village.